See, this is Willow. This is half of the duo that came in together, the sisters. Sit. Sit. We think they are about 10 months old, sisters, and we think they're Doberman, black Dobermans. Maybe with something else in there. Sit. If you want the cookie, you guys sit. See, she's just a puppy. Her and her sister, they don't know why they're here. But they're very sweet. Lots of energy. Lots of puppy energy. Willow, come here. Gotta sit. 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 You did it earlier. Sit. You want that? Sit. Sit. Good girl. Sit. 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 You like this kind better? Yeah, you do.